What's up guys, welcome to part 4 of this series. In this video, we're going to be learning how to play that awesome chorus, as I call it, to classical gas. So, let's jump into the video. What's up fam? In this video we're going to be learning the chorus to classical gas. You might be like, chorus? What is he talking about? I'm kind of like just naming these sections as a song would be named. You know, bridge is coming up next, and you know, there's a little interlude section, all that kind of stuff. Just follow me. But in this series, what I'm trying to do is break this song down into bite-sized pieces for you and give it in the best way possible, so that way you can really learn this faster than I did. It took me about 6 months to learn this, and I learned a lot of important things that I'm gonna try and share with you along the way, so thanks for joining me again. Now remember, this song is based off of the latest music video that I did, Classical Gas, but I included Stairway to Heaven and Roundabout by Yes, so if you want to check out that fun medley, it's fun. It's a fun medley. I'll link it up right there and in the description below, along with lots of other resources. Remember, all that stuff is in the description below. We're also doing that thing, which one's better, Tommy Emmanuel's version or Mason Williams' version? I think I might be Tommy Emmanuel biased, but you know, I definitely love Mason Williams' version, okay? I think they're both totally different, guys. I think, for me at least, there's no way for me to know which one's better, which one I like more. So, I'm not even gonna try. I'm sorry, I'm just not even gonna try. Y'all can talk about that, and maybe y'all can help sway my opinion on this, and maybe y'all can help me decide. I'm not sure. But remember, my first video, I talked about a lot of important practicing techniques. So check that out. And if you're new to this series, make sure you watch it from first to last. I definitely recommend learning your basic chords first. If you haven't already, make sure you get that done. That way you can definitely handle this song. Because, disclaimer, it's hard, alright? This song took me 6 months to learn. 6 months. It's not easy, but with every song that's really hard, people can tell you've spent time practicing on it. So spend the time practicing, keep working at it. I think every one of these videos, if you worked on each one of these videos for about 2 weeks, I think you can definitely get it down. But remember to slow this video down if you need to slow me down, because I'll be going through this kind of fast. So hit the playback speed on YouTube, click slow down, you know, just slow it down to whatever. You can speed me up if you want me to, if I'm going too slow for you. Speed me up, Scotty. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so we're kind of based on the A minor pentatonic scale, which if you don't know that just yet, I'll link up a video right there where I teach how to play A minor pentatonic scale. It's fun. So we're hitting the low A string. We're doing a walk down in this minor pentatonic scale, hitting the 8th fret with our 3rd finger, 2nd finger 7th fret, 3rd finger 8th fret of the B string, come back up with our 1st finger to the 5th fret here on the high E string, and then we're kind of doing a little D chord here. 2nd finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And you can do a little bit of a vibrato if you want to. But right after that, we're coming down here. We're doing our pinky on the 8th fret of the low E string, walking down to the 7th fret with our 3rd finger, and then hitting the 5th fret with our 1st finger. And you can hit the low E string if you want to, but you kind of have to cut it off, otherwise that doesn't sound very good. So kind of cut it off right there. Alright, next we come back up here and do the exact same thing again, but we're hitting our 1st finger barred across the 5th fret of the G and the B string. We're hitting those two really fast, and you can find this in Mason Williams' version as well. Yeah. And then you do it again. And with this D chord, kind of, you can let the D string ring out the first time we do it too. Now we're walking up to a G chord. Open E, second fret of the low E string, G chord, C chord, F chord, back to the C chord, and then we again change time signatures here. So we're hitting the low A string, plucking the rest of the A chord. We do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then we arpeggiate, but with our pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. And we just kind of play through that, however you would like it. You can do it like I'm doing. And then it goes into a different part, which is the next video, which leads me to my next segment of this video. Thank you guys for joining me yet again in this series. This was part 4. Whoa, we are just flying through this, aren't we? Thank you again for joining me though. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe for the other videos. Check out some of my other vlogs too. I think you'll enjoy that family-friendly content all over this channel, because there are too many channels out there that are not very family-friendly, so I wanted to make a channel that is. So if you like that, please hit the like button and subscribe for other videos and to just show your support. Comment below if you have any questions, but I think that's it. I'll see you in the next part in this series. Peace.